Well, it is Friday, and we're coming to the end of a very busy week for our law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Came out with our weekly e-update today. We turned over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles. The e-update brought together all of our latest blog articles from our website, gamboandlaw.com. I put in there the article regarding what I put out on UFC's Conor McGregor and the criminal action, which was not pursued against him. And I explained the civil versus the criminal standard. In addition, we had the blog article regarding the common crimes that occur during the baseball playoffs. The Phillies obviously are in the playoffs this year, and many people from Pennsylvania and New Jersey will be traveling into Philadelphia to watch the game. In addition, there'll be parties. So it's the weekend, and not only it's the weekend, it's a baseball playoff weekend. The Phillies lost last night, so there'll be games tonight and tomorrow. Now, the games are in Arizona, but people will still be watching the games on the TV or the computer or their phones or their iPads, and a lot of people having parties or celebrating at bars. If the Phillies win or lose, they'll probably still be drinking regardless. So I put out the article just to explain the common crimes that occur if the games were in Philadelphia, or perhaps if the Phillies do win I think it's tonight and tomorrow, they would clinch the National League championship. So if they don't win, the games come back to Philadelphia for the rest of the series. Now, with that said, in that blog article, I put out common things that happen during the playoffs. The big one that we see, whether it's baseball or football or any other just sport or large gathering, we see an uptick of DUIs in Pennsylvania and DWIs in New Jersey. In addition, things like criminal mischief, while normally it's graded as a misdemeanor, it can be graded as a felony offense, and I point that out in the blog article. Underage drinking, a lot of college students come to the games and think that the laws don't apply or no one's watching, but do get cited for underage drinking. So there's things that we do see. Obviously, when the games sometimes get out of hand, people drink too much and things happen. So crimes like simple assault or resisting arrest or obstruction of justice are all things that we see both in our law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gamboandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. If the police want to search your vehicle, do not give consent, but do so in a polite manner. Do not put your hands on the officer. Do not argue with the officer. If they want to search your car, don't get in their way. Just make it clear that your consent is not being given, because once you give consent, remember, it negates your rights under the Pennsylvania and U.S. Constitution, and that's not something that you want to do. It makes the case so much harder for your defense attorney. Now, you do not have a constitutional right to refuse the breathalyzer test or the blood test, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. There's a implied consent to drive on the roads in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, so therefore the constitutional rights don't apply there with regards to a right to refuse the test. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Please enjoy responsibly and have a great day.